All right, folks, you guys have a Christmas lights or Christmas ornament that's a favorite from the family. You want to keep it going? Check this out. I bought this at Lowe's. This is made by Holiday Living. It's a universal light tester. Comes just like this. It comes with like 2 little spare bulbs in there. And I'll show you how this works. Comes with a 9-volt battery already. So over here has a little fuse tester. You want to test your fuse. Over here has a part where you plug in your bulb to see if your bulb works. And this one here, when you turn it on, you put this around the bulb or around the wires. And when it turns green and beeps, that means you have power to that wire. Now watch, I'm going to show you here. All right, that means there's juice going to it. And it's a possibility that the bulb is good. But there's no guarantee, okay? Ask me how I know. Okay, sometimes it'll beep, but the bulb will still be bad. All right, so you do this all the way around. When you get to a spot that does not beep, that means it's probably a bad bulb or the wire there is a problem, okay? So I have Mr. Rudolph over here plugged in. So this is a live wire operation, okay? So what I did here was I found a couple of bad bulbs, probably about 18 of them. And the way I checked them is basically I plug them right into this little port here, okay? You take your bulb. I believe this one was a good one, okay? You take it, I'm gonna plug it right in there. Let me see if I could prop this up. All right, so here we go. We're gonna plug in this bulb, which I know is good. I'm gonna plug it right into this little connector here. You see that it lights up? That means the bulb is good. I'm gonna get the one over here. This one I already know is bad. When you plug it in, it doesn't light. All right, so that's the bad bulb. Now in this particular model, it uses a different type of connector. It uses a white one, okay? So this is the one that I replaced, one of many, okay? So the way I replaced it basically is, over here, that 2 tiny little wires in there, okay? 2 little tiny wires. Just peel them back, you can pull it out, and there's your bulb. I took the white connector, did the same thing with the bad bulb. I took a new bulb from the set that I bought, and I plugged it in there and bent them over. Then to double check it, you're just gonna plug it in and see that it works, okay? Like I said, I bought a little sacrificial set over here for like $2.98 at Walmart. Look at all the bulbs that I used. All right, save it to fix other ones later on in life. All right, so once I put that bulb in to the new connector, I'm gonna plug it in. I changed 18 of them, so all the way around. So this one here will be the last one. And I'm gonna plug it in here. Let's see if Mr. Rudolph wakes up from his sleep. Dun, dun, dun. There you go. He's in. Rudolph is awake. We're just gonna have to put his body back together. And he is working. There you go. Just gotta plug his ear back in. But Rudolph is ready to guide his sleigh tonight. Here you go. We're gonna put him back together, and look how nice he is. Let's finish him up. There you go. There's Mr. Rudolph. All set. See? All right. Getting ready. Guide your sleigh tonight. Off you go. To the yard. Front lawn. Say bye. Have a nice holiday. Peep. Thanks for watching. Ciao.